Good day, brothers and sisters. Rising Hope Ministries is excited to present the Restoration Project. What is the Restoration Project? It is a jobs program designed for the unemployed and for the millions of Americans who are underemployed. Yes, we understand we're supposed to be in a booming economy. However, there are still millions upon millions of middle class Americans who have to work two jobs just to make ends meet. The Restoration Project is a fully comprehensive program providing certified training in trade skills such as welding and or logistics, just to name a few. We also provide professional training, certified training for Microsoft Office and other IT skills. This program is also designed for those who are returning home from prison or jail. We understand the challenges it takes to return back to the marketplace. Every applicant in the program will receive services such as resume building and one on one career coaching. This is just to name a few. There's so much more that we provide in this program. We need your help to not only sustain this program, but to expand it as well. Let's face it, the middle class is under attack right now, and the only way to win this war is through education, providing the necessary skills for people to be able to put food on the table for themselves and their families. We're currently on Facebook and are doing just fine. We need to expand our social media reach so we can help more people. Currently, our participants can train via the tablet, smartphone, or laptop. This gives them the ability and the flexibility to continue to train while they're transitioning into their new career. Thank you for your time. This is a fight worth fighting for. We're just asking for donations so that we can have a positive impact on people's lives. We have several ways you can give. You can give via GoFundMe or on our website where you can see our pledge, how we handle our money, and how transparent we are as an organization. Also, you can give via Givelify, which is an app on most smartphones, and or just directly through PayPal at donations@risinghopeministries.org. Again, we thank you for your time.